welcome back to the Cars and Stuff YouTube channel. My name's Mark and I flip cars as a side hustle. This time around we've purchased a 2010 Citroen C3 Picasso exclusive, which is a 1.6 diesel and only 73,000 miles on the clock. We purchased it from our local auction house, Leominster Car Auctions. With fees, our total price for the car came to £795. We knew it needed some bodywork attention, and our maximum bid would have been £800 or £900 including fees. Once we got home, we got straight to work over the weekend and carried out a visual and mechanical inspection. So we needed to source a passenger and driver side front wing, a new door strap, along with some service bits. Luckily, we found a local breaker up in Birmingham who had two wings in stock but a different colour. So we bought some paint from our local paint shop, Middleton's in Gloucester. Again, highly recommend them by the way. So we prepped the wing by using 1000, 1500, 2000 and 2500 grit sandpaper using the wet and dry method. We primed it with Halford's primer, which we already had, sanded back each coat using 2500 grit, and then applied 4 coats of paint and 3 coats of lacquer, along with a final flat sand using 2500 grit paper before a final polish using Maguire's Ultimate Compound and a medium cut SPTA 5-inch polishing pad. A link for those products are in the description below. Once we were happy with the bodywork, we then serviced it ourselves, so we jacked it up, drained the oil, replaced oil filter, sump plug, oil, pollen filter and air filter. As soon as the Citroen was serviced, we washed it and gave it a full polish, again using Maguire's Ultimate Compound. We went to a different place to take pictures as my usual place was closed for maintenance, but the backdrop wasn't too bad anyway. Once we've taken the photos, we soon put up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So let's go through the figures. We spent £795 on the car including fees, £30 on premium fuel, £40 on paint, £160 on 2 wings and a door strap, and £25 on service bits, totaling £1,050. We advertised the car at £2,250 and we had one inquiry straight away. They came and looked around, took it for a test drive, and they were really happy with it. They offered £1,900, but we agreed a figure at £2,000 as that was the number I was aiming for anyway. Always advertise slightly higher than the figure you want, as 9 times out of 10 you will get haggled. So on this occasion we made £950 profit, not too shabby at all. So let's go through the working hours. It took us an hour each way to attend the auction, 2 hours collecting the wings and paint, 3 hours installing and painting the wing, an hour to service it, 2 hours polishing, and 1 hour taking photos and listing it, totaling 11 hours. So £950 divided by 11 equals just over £86 per hour. Again, quite a good result. So a fairly short video this week, so that concludes that video. I hope it just gives you some insight really, and if you have any questions then feel free to drop me a message in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.